Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to show you how to insert different columns into your invoices that you print out or email out. So what do we mean by that? So what we'll do, we'll log ourselves in and we'll go to Customers and Marketing and let's have a look at one of the invoices. So let's just select a customer and let's just print this one so I can show you what I mean. Okay, what I mean by that is these columns here. So you can add some different columns in here that might be more appropriate for yourself, or you might want to change some of the names as well of the actual column headers. So I'll show you how to do that now. So I'll close that away. What we need to do, we're going to go to Settings. We're going to go to Software Settings. And then we're going to go to Basic Store Settings. And then we'll go to Report Columns right here. And then a little drop down menu here. So what we'll do, we'll select Invoices. So there you have it. So there's everything there that's currently showing on an invoice when it prints off. So for example, if I wanted to edit this one, I didn't want it to say quantity, I can click on Update here. Little box comes up to indicate what type of field it is. So we want to still keep it as quantity. We'll accept that. But then we get to change the name and the actual title. So if I don't know, I'll put a hashtag in there, for example, and press Accept. And then it's going to ask you for the actual width as well. A bit of trial and error on this just to make sure things don't look too cramped, but generally speaking 50 is around okay for reasonable sized numbers. So we'll accept on there like so. And what we'll do, we'll add something else in here as well. So let's go add. And say for example I wanted to put the, I don't know, say the internal reference code maybe into the actual layout. So let's put that in there. I will just call this ref code. We'll accept that and then give it a size. So I'll say about 80 for this. So we'll accept that. And then I can move it all around obviously. So I might want to put that up on the top like that, like so. What we'll do, we'll save those settings now. And then what we can do, just refresh the invoice section. Let's pick up another invoice. Let's print selected. And there you have it. So the reference number now is in there. Obviously these particular items don't have them, but you can get the point. So obviously it pops up there, no problem whatsoever. And then obviously there's my hashtag I've just thrown in there as well. Obviously you can change that around a little bit by putting a few spaces in there as well, just to make sure so it's kind of in the middle. But that's pretty much it. So you can have a little play around with it. Obviously do be warned, you're obviously limited to A4 size, so don't put too many columns in here, it'll look far too cramped. But there you have it, nice and simple. There you go. Do hope that's been useful. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye now.